Guys, are you facing any problem because of the language barrier? Don't worry, I am here to help you. Myself is Factor. I want to help you in your studies. I am more interested in helping you out in this kind of situation. So, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel, it will help you. What is your problem? In previous years, you studied up to 10th in Kannada medium. You directly jumped into English medium. You feel it is difficult to manage with English. You are able to speak Kannada but not English. It is common situation for everyone. Don't worry. I am also studied in Kannada medium. So I can help you to improve your English speaking skill. Let's begin. What beginners really do. Here is one thing I want to clear. I am also a beginner. They take one grammar book and think that after completing it, they will be able to speak English fluently like others. But it is totally wrong. Someone told me one secret. While speaking, grammar is not necessary. If you start speaking today, as time goes on, you will slowly understand what I am trying to say. My final advice is that you should start today. Before uploading this video, I created one 3 minutes video on walking style, but it was in Kannada. Then I realized that if I make videos in English, it will help me improve my English speaking. So I decided to work on this video. I have already uploaded one video in Hindi. In that video, my Hindi is totally gone. From this, what I am saying that if you want to become a content creator, you can start now. But one thing, your language should be English. Some people are not ready to reveal their identity, just like me. As you know, I don't show my face in my videos. So, you can also create faceless video and upload it in YouTube. As the days go by, you can analyze your skills growth. Some people are not interested in these things, but they don't want to waste time. They want to speak English, but they are not ready to do the work for it. There is a one simple technique. What is that simple technique? You should speak with your friends. It will help you build confidence. If someone is not interested in speaking English with friends, they can speak with ChatGPT. Let's try now. I am using one powerful technique to improve English. This technique is writing your daily routine in a diary. For example, what did I do today? What did I learn today? What did I achieve today? It will help you avoid grammar mistake and it will force you to think in English. If I don't know any word in English, then I use Google. If you write your daily routine in your diary, it will help you achieve your goal. Most billionaires write a diary. I will make a separate video explaining why billionaires write diaries. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel. In your free time, you can use apps like Duolingo and SpeakX, etc. I prefer Duolingo because it is completely free and is good for beginners. You can use another technique which is speaking in front of mirror. In this technique, you can see your movements while speaking and it will help you build your confidence and improve your speaking style. At last, don't start tomorrow. Start today. Don't worry about grammar mistake. While speaking, don't worry about what others say about you. Don't compare yourself with others. It will it is your world. So leave it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking and never stop improving your English.
ठीक है।
क्या क्या बात कर रहे हैं?